When Kay Blada first started in 2015, it was difficult to get attention from the adults. The adults couldn't make the connection in their heads. Recycling is a brand new concept for the Haitian community. It became really quickly obvious that we need to start working with the children.
Blada's reason for founding this organization was really to create a systemic change in Hinche. So we realized it doesn't make any sense to just be recycling if there's no education happening. So the education program, mostly it centers around young children.
So we have an education program in 7 schools,
which contain about 25 teachers.
And there's teachers that get a monthly stipend in addition to their income to incorporate environmental education into their classes.
And the focus so far is to educate children about water, about soil, and about air, and how all this is connected to plastic.
So this is community-led, and we're providing additional activities and additional resources to help the teachers provide a broad range of activities.
Learning about how burning plastic or mismanagement of plastic can affect the environment and their health will also put them in a better place in the future.
And so those materials are being distributed to the classrooms.
So it's easier to work with the children, and they can go home and kick their parents' butts. Now the children is doing the work that I was trying to do 6 years ago.